Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get better at sumo in Minecraft. First, focus on mastering your movement. Practice W tapping to reset your sprint and keep your momentum flowing, making you harder to hit. Also, learn S-tapping. This quick stop can break an opponent's combo and give you an opening. Don't forget block hitting, which reduces knockback while still allowing you to attack. Maintaining a distance of 2 to 3 blocks is often ideal for landing consistent hits. Next, let's dive into advanced combat techniques. Strafing is crucial. Constantly move left and right to make yourself a much harder target for your opponent to hit. Try to land critical hits by jumping and striking at the very peak of your jump, dealing extra damage and knockback. Developing quick reflexes is key to reacting to your opponent's moves. Practice chaining together multiple hits to create devastating combos, pushing them closer to the edge. Now, let's talk about environmental awareness and gear. Always keep an eye on the arena's edges. Knowing your boundaries is vital to staying in the game. Effectively using your sprint can give you a burst of speed and deliver powerful knockback, pushing your opponent back significantly. Understand your sword's reach and attack speed to engage optimally. While pure sumo often limits gear, if allowed, a sword with higher attack damage can provide a stronger push. Finally, consistent practice and a strong mindset are essential. Regularly challenge different opponents to adapt your playstyle and learn new tricks. After each match, especially losses, take a moment to analyze what went wrong and identify areas for improvement. Maintaining a calm and focused mindset during intense matches will help you make better decisions. Watching skilled players can also provide valuable insights and inspire new strategies for your own gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.